Okay, let me shoot a quick proof video logging in on my PayPal and show you how awesome it can be if you have a strong sales funnel in place. Okay, that you have these high ticket sales coming in on autopilot. So let me log in because today we had almost $2,000 day, and it came in from the back end. Okay, during the follow-up. So as you can see right now we have over $1,900 on my PayPal account, and why not? Let's have a pay day, right? Let me transfer this money to my bank account. So I'm gonna go to transfer money, and of course, if you have any questions, let me know. You know, specific offers we're promoting and things like that. But let me transfer the money now from my PayPal balance to my checking account, so I can use the money. Right, that's what it's all about. So my bank account is in euros, and let's say I'm gonna do 1,500. So I'm gonna leave some money here to buy more advertising and keep the business going. And there we go, $1,500 payday, and I left some marketing money for myself as well. So let's transfer. So, but that's the beauty, guys. You know, if you have a strong funnel in place, okay, it's not always about the money you're making in the front end, but if those big sales coming in the back, that's beautiful. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. If you haven't made any money, or if you need a strong funnel, a strategy, offers, that's what we're doing in Inbox Mastermind. So let me log out, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. All right.